I'm going to tell you about Armstrong number in C language. So first of all, I'm opening those box and I need to move to C drive. Now I'm going to open the installed Turbo C in bin folder. Basically, first of all, I am going to tell you what is Armstrong number. First of all, so Armstrong number, you can say a number is like 153. If you multiply by 1 3 times, it will be 1, and 5 multiplied by 5 times, sorry 3 times, it will be 125, and 3 multiplied by 3 times, 27. When you plus 125 plus 27, you will get 153. So if the number, existing number, is equal to the result, then it's Armstrong number. Otherwise, else not Armstrong. Okay. Now let's start with the programming. You can clear it using now. In the previous video, I have already told you about stdio.h and conio.h, that is related to clear screen and getch, and void main is already described you, like void is a return type and main is a function name. So now always try to use backspace and tab while writing your programming any code, so that is the best practice. So like when you write clear screen here, clear screen will be clear the buffer screen. So like if you have any data in your buffer, it will remove all the buffer data, so you will see the results only for your particular program output. That's it. So now I'm going to first of all enter any number. Like you want to enter any number, enter any number to check whether it is Armstrong or not. Semicolon, then scanner. So you need to enter any digit number. So like you can enter any number here. You can define integer number because I'm entering an integer number here, and then I'm going to transfer this number into temporary number, like uh, temporary number. So I need to mention this in variable side as well. Now while temp is greater than 0, then say b is equal to 10, 10 is equal to 10 divided by 10 is equal to e plus b into b into b. Now I'm going to compare the number is equal to with e. The result is e. If this is equal to, then it will print entered number is Armstrong number. Otherwise, you can say entered number is not Armstrong number. You can use getch for hold the screen after giving the output. So now I'm going to let me check there is any, yeah, we need to define variable as well, uh, temporary variable and b, and e is equal to define 0. Let's check it and I will describe you how the code is working. Okay, there is no error. Now I'm going to enter 153. So enter number is Armstrong number. If you will enter any other number, like you want to check like 123, to enter number is not Armstrong number. Like if you want to check like uh, 121, it is also not Armstrong number. 407 is also a Armstrong number. Now let me tell you how it's working. Suppose you enter a number 153. Now the number value is right now 153. When you move this number into temporary variable, and temporary variable is also a 153. Okay, so now I'm going to test if while temporary variable is greater than 0. Now temporary variable is equal to 153. Is it greater than 0? Yes. Is it true or false? If it will be true, then it will enter in the body of the loop. Otherwise, it will move to the next line. The condition is if number is equal to e. Now the condition is true. You can say it will enter in the body of the loop and it will execute the number one line, that is b is equal to temp modulus by 10. Now temp variable is 153. Once you will divide by 10, what will be the modulus value? Now modulus value will be, let me describe you like 153 divided by 10. The modulus value will be 15 and remainder value will be 3. Now in the b variable, it will be 15, and in temporary variable the current value is 153. Once you will divide, it will get the remainder value. 153 modulus by 10, it will get the result will be 3. Okay, so now 15 is stored in B, and in temporary variable it is now sorry the temporary value, yeah, definitely. So remainder will get by modulus, and the quotient value will be get by division. So here will be 3 and here will be 50. Now I'm going to execute the last third line. So now E's value is 0 because we don't need any addition value, just we will use for the result variable. So E value is 0. 0 plus what is the value of B? 3 into 3 into 3. Now what is the value, what will be the value of E? Equal to 27. Is that fine? Now again the loop will execute. Now it will check what is the current value of temporary. The temporary value is currently is now 15. Now 15 is greater than 0. Yes, is equal. Then it will, the B's value will be 5, and then temporary value will be 1. And what will be the value of E? E plus B into B into B. What is the value of B? 125. 27 plus 125. What will be the result? 152. Next value is 152. Now we have a temporary variable value is 1. 1 is greater than 0? Yes, it's true. 1 modulus by 10, the result will be 1. But when we will divide by division sign, the quotient value will be 0. Now the temporary variable is equal to 0. And what is the value of E? 152 plus B into B into B. B's value is 1. So 1 into 1 into 1, 152 plus 1 is equal to 153. So now you can see 153 is the result. So again the loop will execute. Temporary variable value is 0. So 0 is greater than 0. Now condition will be false and it will move to the if condition. Here we have a number value is 153 and E's value is again 153. Okay, so now this condition is true, then it will display entered number is Armstrong number. Similarly, if you want to check other numbers, you can test if E's value will not similar to the number variable, then it will display else entered number is not Armstrong number.